To fix the error-code F30 on a Kenmore oven, it's essential to understand what this code means. The error-code F30 indicates an open circuit in the wiring of the sensor probe, which is often caused by a fault with the oven sensor or its associated wiring. To troubleshoot, start by disconnecting the oven from the power supply and moving it away from the wall to access the sensor harness from the back. Then, disconnect the harness from the oven sensor and use a multimeter to measure the sensor's resistance, which should be around 1080 ohms at room temperature. If the reading is different, the oven sensor is likely damaged and should be replaced with the help of a professional who can guide you on sourcing quality spare parts. If the sensor is in good working condition, inspect the wiring for breakages and rust. However, if no issues are found and the problem persists, it's possible that the oven has a technical issue, in which case it's recommended to contact a professional repair service for further assistance.